Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly lower your CPU temperature while Windows is already open. So let's just get started without any delay. First of all, we can check the CPU uses. So for that, you can go ahead and go to your task manager, hit task manager and run it as an administrator. Once you do so, this opens up on your screen. You can go ahead and expand it up and go ahead and end the tasks that are eating a lot of CPU, like any kind of browser or background apps. Once you find it up, you can right click on it and you should be finding an option of end task. You can go ahead and click on that option and you can go ahead and close the program that are taking a lot of CPU uses. Another thing you can do is you can adjust the power settings. For that, what you can do is you can go ahead and go to battery or power icon in the taskbar. Go ahead and find the battery icon, right click on it and go to power and sleep settings. Once you are here, you will be finding the option for power mode. You can expand it up and you can just go ahead and select the option for balanced or lower than that. Just go ahead and do so. Or power saver, you can go ahead and use that power mode for yourself, or you can just go ahead and look out for this option for battery uses, drop it down, and you can control up the applications that are using your battery. Go ahead and remove it up, and that's it. Close this up as well. Another thing we can do is we can just go ahead and improve the airflow on your laptop. Place it on a flat table, not on a bed. Use a cooling pad if available. That should also fix the issue. And that's it. Those are some of the quick ways to drop your CPU temperature. So these fixes give you instant relief. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and also subscribe for more quick tips. And see you next time.